Looking for a reliable construction partner for your industrial or commercial project? 𝚘𝚂𝚃𝚁𝚁 is your trusted name in industrial construction and civil works across Rajasthan. With years of experience, we deliver strong, durable, and cost-effective solutions for all your construction needs. Our core services include industrial construction, warehouse and go-down construction, and institutional projects. We also specialize in pre-engineered buildings, commercial spaces, and turnkey projects. Why choose us? We have an experienced team, high-quality materials, and a transparent process. Contact us today at +91 966 14262 or visit our website at www.𝚘𝚂𝚃𝚁𝚂𝚃.com.